Hello friends, today we are going to see the share price prediction feature in TickerTape Pro users. For example, if we see the IRCTC share price is 1340 only as on 30th July. But if you want to see the forecast, you can see here. There is a huge upside for the increase in the price. This forecast for the share price is made based on the statistical analysis. AI algorithms are applied on the past share price and hence the future forecast has been predicted. Whatever share you want, you can search. For example, you can search HPCL. So the current price is 223. You can see the last 5 years or last 10 years data as well. So as you can see, it started from 196 many years back, went till 457, and now currently it is being traded at 228. If we want to know the future price prediction, we should go to the forecast and ratings detailed forecast. For normal users, this will not be shown, only this will be shown, blue color curve. These dotted lines are the prediction. So if you buy this share in 2020 July, the probability, there are two possibilities shown for the price forecast in the coming 1 year, that is till July 2021. Either it can reach till 370 or it can go till less than 200, and this is because of the nature of the graph. As you can see, the nature of the HPCL graph is ups and downs only throughout. But if you see any other share price, for example, if we see Orcom, in the past 5 years it is showing downward trend only. The share price keep on decreasing only. So if we see the forecast, it is not even available. So even though you take the Pro membership, it is not mandatory that you get the share forecast for each and every possible share. Only for some of the shares you can get this forecast. We can type and search here whatever company share we want to see, which is listed on the stock markets, NSE and BSE exchanges. For example, ONGC. In one day it fell 3 rupees on 30th July 2020. If you see the share past history graph for the 1 year, it fell from all the way 147 in 2019 November to 60 or 59 in March 2020 during the lockdown time. If we see the forecast, again there is a high and a low. So 80% of the shares which you search, they generally show a high graph and a low graph. A high will be average of all the high peaks and a low will be average in the mean value of all the lower peaks. So this is about the share price forecast. Whatever search share you want, you can search it just by typing its symbol or name. Do note that this is just a prediction based on the statistical averages method, and it does not guarantee that the price mandatorily goes to this level in the next 1 year duration. So this is the future we are going to get with TickerTape Pro subscription. Also you can see the earnings per share forecast, revenue forecast with this Pro subscription. Thank you.